Ma la ga chang der chai nyor ka dung dit media ga chang wal baro ko pai bangwan karon kin dang rawu de jandang rawu de diech. An mak bangut gok ba inong da ti danu yen siang ka dung dit media ga den tuok ka jinup Sudan kana win mon do dien. Dung dit media gwa lengo kon ko tung nuara. La lar ne ni siang anu yen ne ko do ko la lengo ne ti ngor ne ka dung dit media me. Mi ran jo ma la jak ko share ko like. En wo share ke share like bane ni wan kan de lengo tung nuan dan me be ku lu shop ke be media dan me be ku lu promote be kam nyal bla gwa leng mo ga ne kon dung din media la nung ne yap den ke ti chara lat ko kor ni ke jinup ke win mon do den la nung ne ya na la sin ke ti chara lat kan tin baro den lat la nung ne ye news che ko tu la re ke tin chi tuo ke ni to kala nung ne ye per pal store ni per pal store do ra ke ku kum ni ra ke ku wi ni ra ke ku kor ra ke ku personalities ne to leaders ko won kan ne so Sudan. So gwaleng mu wa kon ko mi chira la jag bi goro bi ling en episode mo kim barna mi lat ko mo man ne pen pin an wala ga chang ko wal baro ko pai bangwan tin bagalat ke bagara jo dien bagala jok men yam bara rumos la to kaja tin lar ga ke o cha ne de cha yen ala duob lam kane pot kang cha ga luin to mo jar ga ko ni ndang ra wutin pan ti lar ga jaga social media tell substantial evidence tell base ti nyu jago na mo tok sabak mo wan mo ga dat 17 de jojo wo ra ya tiang siang wade can these two leaders that are still in detention do lam ka gade tiger ngot pot kang ko buluaos ka national security so kan ga ko luin ka tell process obo de ko luin di tin ni ra ya tiang dan ko ne ne ban na Akot based on the allegation it are non Minister of Justice. So chapter we cannot talk about it much. We joy ku shit talk gare ngoro ga tijin. Mende ko nga da bo and we shit talk reason in the loin gare de la mi chan de lenga je. Ku me court rule me la court. Ke president nital bakir matage mnastimo. Middle in the guard. What is the source of pressure? Mulo ga can correlate. Therefore, it's very easy to understand we see to gara kagatijin, but they are health. Paul Pankin. So no more. This is number one. Again, calendar and then I know as information. Let us forget about what chakalun. Then we can go on and what is happening next after the declaration, the announcement of accusation. Take on the chaka accused. Number two is speculation. Mera the speculation like makwach. Ala spiritual leader kayot. Meta mobilization ga korni techuwa toward Malakal. And wejani chubni. That is a speculation. Many people are talking about it these days. So we are aware of areas of his operation. Ka Fiji, ka Nayot, Wanaga Canal, in those areas. Teleca network, telecommunication mean with any person. So their communication is channelized, right? So Mulurun and Kantam Yetam, there is no one having a clue of what is happening exactly in that area. So speculation the first la nega talk. Can I write Makwacha order it? Makwacha convene, Makwacha cock, Makwacha dualgo, bombardment, and all this. She just need to condo mission and Makwacha qua sabotage. Forget about all this. You wait. We will all see we will for 1, 2, 3 reasons. And if it is a matter of delayment, go and take a delaying similar order. It is not a problem. Arrangement ga lade. Gwa bo joy tinu. Bane link. So we cannot talk about the exact location today and who need to know lakin we can tell our people, those who are speculating and and all this telecom information mission up to now. What we are waiting when and Bogwada George Bupal either Bukumja announce and will this happen here banneling or the source and will Makwach is far from my youth. So let us not talk about it. Leave it. We do the nature of it. Take it. Go the king in a continent. Which are it. That is number 2. Number 3, about the internal political developments in Junub, South Sudan. Today, according to we are hearing about Bull Mel promote from nowhere to 4-star general. If we talk about American ranking, which is a full general, Riek Machar, Junub Sudan. So katam yeta mamara let self-care wala let jago and mite karamugo rebe promote can the directest of the organized forces. Nika si June, Nika Wildlife, Nika National Security, Nika Inspector General of the Police, can the organized forces. General Lukin plus him about 5 of them. But I appoint to full general when there is a need for assignment. So Major Bull may appoint to full general from nowhere to full general. The question of was one and interest behind that. Bull already a political line, the chopka stage of order, Kira Kamkor, there come chairmanship of the SPLM, a ruling party. Subsequently, there was president of the country. Magur Priego. Maguro by Jagli general. Guam tell military experience. Guam deserve in that position. What is the interest of Kir? Kadarang Makambol Melo. In the center. So into the other thing. We know Bull Mel currently because of Sudan, the commander of UPDF. Allah UPDF Ugandan People Defense Force. Yaramana Kuya command was also done with his money. So that means could you know Tele Long, go tele colleague, got a deployment experience in that military. I get a basket a tiger, me corrupt. You corrupt Kail, Pam Lob self-care. That means confident that military resource were done. She confident of new general. Tell a long raid. So now which is self-care, what is the reason? So the reason is obvious. And I live over and I wouldn't like to lay Bull Mel, Chachola Laur and a break national security as a specific. So now there are only 2 national security. Again, internal, the director of internal, again, Kala general. So now it is a matter of one and a yard, a ram with Guaram. We is one. So we have an issue of one and as we always talk, who self-care, Cherigrid, Kedung Bolmel. Who Bolmel Jaga president become Kuol as his successor. Cherigrid, Kitcharabalat, international pressure, regional, internal. Come Niken Ganjangro and Abul Mel, you're right person to talk about self-care in this situation. So, General Nanish Yang Lara Negative did media, young Nana was a Bull Mel chance to be quarter bejak, cheap 50-50, less than 50. That means about 75% Georgia, which Ebijak. we talk about it always. Jung na na do Kuol country mean defendant. What about four step you take? Yeah, bit coup be a stage, be successful coup, and coup always. Lane a lot of coup. Lane ramita association ke military. Mita ka deployment. Yara mulong coup galan. Ke rebel, rebellion we which because be a terror. No matter how long it takes you, you succeed. Be government be dismantled. You establish your own government. So number 3, we succeed. Brand be succeed in case of death, like which President Salva Kiir, which live. This chain of command, SPLM now, Bullmel can be the president. Hence, number 4, which campaign for election. Now, President Salva Kiir is trying to groom his daughter. Based on that, by it is outcome after Major Bullmel made a good benu. So, Bullmel be chun. That is the process, as we said, and there are kill, they job a Bullmel, they promote to pray a lawel, because more promote one. And a time you go very relief from those positions, they call the deputy chairman of the SPLM man, who you cannot imagine. Rami more active by president, more active deputy chairman go political party. What is that? So Jen point go and I'm thinking go about which composition Baba Jakod, a director of internal security. That is the only thing we are seeing. Let self-acure Magaja. So again, we cannot talk about when an able male quite deserve. No rock would la prega lawel. No matter I'm go right. Good bull contribution the kahami. Mirinador kind of participate with Kuol target. SPLM because of his age. Me now Bengu Sudan to a pie, seen boarding a business. That business can look well a jungle yo, Impel and Bar Valkyr Kulijaga. She established no hotel, measure a low man away. Can I get a caramanen? Tell the day Mungaji. So Mukabi now from 0. Bakan Gordial Bagabal, which means a Priega Lawel. So artificial war. She war. So we is a part of one and a bull, she a military man. He pretend to be like him, she a military man. She did. Like a man did. So number 3. Number 4, a court hearing and down to Nyandeang. Court hearing go when I never take a first fest. Mabalat. The court, the Canadian content are accused to Dr. Riek Machar thin, the Potkang thin, the Doblam thin, Planet or Canada accused Canada, but that to the top. All of them to Nuer, but the court hearing, which is a primary step. That court hearing it may happen. Go down they interview, they don't take a question through audio tap. Here, don't let a visual tap. Don't take a teach. Here, don't take a court. Personally, they go fear. A court. No more is the first hearing, which is the step number 1 that we are waiting for. If we ballot and executions. We persecute Canadian. We don't know when Michel can about one step of hearing that we are hearing now. She advocate a lot of different lawyers from different walks, Africa, international community, South Sudan. They are preparing for this, and now it becomes a question of when will the government do it? NA. So in this situation, government need competent lawyers. Otherwise, it will be embarrassment. A country, because they will be defeat badly. The court of law, because they don't know them. So therefore, go a competent lawyer, not only one lawyer, lawyers. Go in ba palm, maybe one of foreign lawyer, long the make operation license. They will go to the buyer again to do that. So it will be very difficult for that person. Ko person abandon but international standard from international lawyers but talk beg. You will not do anything. So for that reason, let us not ignore Kuchwana take serious. Let us just see. We are caught in politics. It is a normal process. At the end of the day, in summary, number one, rumors about one and nature quarter year release Akot. They are still in their detention. Number two, speculation. There is no need for it. We don't need to talk about it. Discard any content like these are nonsense. The phone you is preparing. Number three, about internal update. Which Abul Mel promote and what is the reason for his promotion? We talk about it. Number four, the court hearing that we are waiting for. Riek Machar bananga court. Because the process in them, a court hearing, ba case, ba calling Kenyam. That may happen in any way, form. So tomorrow can then update of today, and we call it a day, and we thank you, Katandan, and Shakolingaje. Banajik.